Hey guys, what's up? In this class 5 of lecture series, Writing an Effective Resume, we are going to see how to write header of a resume and what it includes. Here we go. So, what header of a resume includes is a full name of a candidate, email, mobile number, postal address and LinkedIn being optional. Now, what do I mean by full name here? Candidates may be confused between using their names because many applications have first name, middle name, and last name as three columns. Now, what should I write as my first name? What we strongly suggest you is whatever you prefer to be called as, put it in first name instead of your surname or any other name which is less preferred. Better, we suggest you to go by what you prefer to be called more. Let's say your name is Ritik Roshan. If you prefer to be called as Ritik, then Ritik will be your first name. If you prefer to be called as Roshan, then Roshan comes as first name. Ritik goes as a middle name or last name as per your priority. But in general, middle name is optional. So first name and last name will be mandatory. So preferable name will be in the first name and a remaining name will be in the last name, irrespective of which among these two is your surname. That doesn't have any significance. Surname or family name doesn't have any significance here, but better you write your family name as a last name. Then your email, we strongly suggest you to use an email which is not linked to any other social networking websites or any other platforms, as it is very important for you to differentiate between important mails and less important mails. You cannot make the mail inbox clumsy by allowing all the less important mails to come and fall into your inbox. So, what we strongly suggest you is always use a mail which is not used any other place except for your professional purpose. And we also suggest you have a proper short email which reflects your name. Don't go for any fancy email IDs. Just use your name with some random numbers, if preferably. Or if you are a fresher, then you can use your university ID number, whatever you call it, as your email ID. And the most important thing regarding the email ID, because this email is going to be preferred communication by organization, any organization, till you join the company. So ensure that you have a email ID which you can carry to the next level. If you are using email IDs given by your university platforms, ensure that they can be used after your graduation. That is very important. Then mobile number, give mobile number which you use personally with strong signal strength. Seldom interviews or HR people might call you over the phone, even though preferable communication will be through email. Nevertheless, it's very important to write your personal mobile number in on resume. If you are using more than one, you're also allowed to write both mobile numbers. And if you're not reachable on the first, sometimes second also will help the HR or the interviewer to reach you. Postal address and LinkedIn URL or username are optional, but if you feel that this is going to add value, then we suggest you to go for your LinkedIn username or URL here. Postal address is just a gap filler. These days, no communication is done to postal address. So there is no such order, or should it be on the left end or the right end, or should it be in the middle. It is nothing like that. It depends on the template what you are using. We will talk about templates in the later videos, but that is it in this video. Hope this information regarding the header of a resume is helpful. If you have any doubts, you can just leave a message. Our next video in this lecture series will be on writing an effective career objective or career summary, which we generally call as resume introduction. This we will see in our next video. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, you can post in the comment section. Please subscribe to us for more such videos. Thank you.